Hello everyone, welcome back to Nadesh Creative Cooking. Today I have a super delicious fried chicken recipe for you guys. It is so crispy in the outside and juicy in the inside. Let's get started. You need flour, Haitian épices, liquid sazon, dry seasoning, lime juice, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, black pepper, buttermilk, salt, vegetable oil, a hot sauce, lime, and a whole chicken. First, clean the chicken with lime, vinegar, and salt. Next, rinse it off. Remove the chicken from the water, then boil some water with lime, parsley, and thyme and pour it over the chicken. Next, remove the chicken from the hot water. Prepare your seasoning. Mix the Haitian épices, balsamic vinegar, liquid sazon, lime juice, dry seasoning, and a little bit of hot sauce. Feel free to put more hot sauce if you like your food spicy. Next, pour it over the chicken and toss it to make sure that the seasoning is well incorporated in the chicken. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 8 hours or overnight so the chicken can soak up all the seasoning. Next, mix the dry ingredients. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Then the wet ingredients, which will also be listed in the description box below. Next, dip the chicken piece by piece in the flour first, then in the buttermilk mixture, then in the flour. I use one hand for the wet ingredients and the other hand for the dry ingredients, so I won't make a mess. Use a rack to let your chicken rest. After all the pieces have been coated with flour, start frying your chicken on medium-low heat. Do not fry it on high heat so the inside of the chicken can be well done. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and like the video. Once the chicken is golden brown, turn it over. Once your chicken is cooked, remove it from the oil and let it rest on the cooling rack. Et voila! The chicken is so good, guys. It is so juicy and delicious. I will enjoy my chicken with some creamy mac and cheese and baby carrots. Thank you guys for watching, and always be creative in your cooking.